Okay, welcome, welcome. You see, Facebook ads, it's not complicated. It's just that one needs to be guided. If you're not guided, it will look like a mystery, And I know several persons have that issue. The Facebook ads thing just looks so confusing. Facebook ads that you should be using to run your business, to reach more people, something that should be a tool for you is looking like a mystery just because you lack guidance, and that's why I'm creating this, you know from novice to pro Facebook ads training. So without wasting much time, the first thing we're going to be looking at is essential settings before launching your first Facebook ad campaign. Essential settings for launch your first Facebook ad campaign. Now there are things to set up. Most people, what they just know about is how to boost posts. You get it? They only know how to boost posts, and that's not what we are here for. If that's what I've been doing before now, for instance, this is a Facebook page now. They come to boost posts. That is a naive way. In fact, that's one of the litmus tests, you know, I use to know if someone knows what he or she is doing with regards to Facebook ads. Whenever I hear boost post, I just know that this one person needs training. You see that? So you don't just come. This is a page. You boost post on page. It's not page. It's not just a page you need for running Facebook ads. There are three things you need to set up before you can run Facebook ads. The first one is a business manager. The second is ads manager. The third is Facebook page. So let's dive straight into it. So the first place to go is you go to business.facebook.com/create. That's where you go to. So they can create a business manager or a business account. You click here. SABT business. You put email here. You create. Okay. Then you click on submit. That's how you create it. But it's saying something here. The name, okay. You said the name provided is already in use. Let me put BT business too. That's what I was gonna say. What is this saying? Say unable to create account. You have reached the limit for the number. You see that now. Why it's saying this is because this profile has two business manager accounts already. You get that? So if you want to see the business accounts that have been created, come to business.facebook.com. In this training, I said in this slide, I said for a start, a Facebook profile can have two business manager accounts. So you cannot create more than two business manager accounts for a start. You get what I'm talking about? So this one, look at it. Two business portfolio. He has one, he has two. So he has two already. Two has been created. Okay, I've already created one before, making it two. So I can't create more. But at least I've shown you how to create a business account. I get what I'm talking about. Okay, so you come to settings. Settings in either of the two business manager accounts you created. Come to settings. So they can now create your ads manager or ads account. See it's ads account. Now, ads account too, for a start, you cannot create more than one ads account in a business manager or in a business account. So we already created one, but let me show you how to create. Click on add. You see, you click on create a new ad account. Oh, I would really love to show you this thing. Let's check. Let's check the other one. The other business account. Let's check it. And I want to show you how to create an ads account. Oh, this one has ads account already. What can we do now? Okay. Mm, you can't create two. Yeah, you can't create. You can't create. But this is where you click on. You create a new ads account, and as you follow the prompt, you're gonna see um, currency. Please put naira. Don't leave it at US dollars. Set naira as payment method. Those prompts are just straight forward prompts. You get that, and that's how you create your ads account. Then thirdly, the pages. You can create it from your profile. You can create from your profile. You can just click this Facebook page. You can come to pages, create a new page. That's where you do that. Put your name here, right? Let's say boss stores, whatever. The category, let's say fashion accessories. Then the bio you can optional, you can put it there. Then you create. You get that. Okay, so an error code while trying creating this. Okay, there is a temporary issue. After you have created it, you can now set up. You proceed to setting things up, right? This one I created before. You add cover photo, you add profile photo. You set things up. Where you add your phone number, just play around the whole thing. Add profile picture. See that? Add cover photo, add description, then link WhatsApp, connect. Just anyone that you feel is necessary, you need to do. Business hours. Um, Make sure you add your phone number. I've added it already in mine, so that's why it's not showing it. So these are to create, the Facebook page. Another place you can create the Facebook page from is here. This is the business account, right? This is where you create the ads account from the company, and this is the pages. You can create Facebook page from here. Click add, create a new Facebook page. You add name, you get that category, fashion accessories. You put bio optional, maybe something like standards, wherever you are. You know, click on next, agree. Create page. It's a big deal. Then done. So that's how you create these things. And then this is the ad manager we created before. So if you now want to run ads, you click on create here, create. And but this creating ads is not what we'll be doing here in this video. It will be in the next video. I'll show you how to run at least WhatsApp ads. At least you have seen how to set things up if you want to start creating running ads with Facebook. So in the next videos, I will show you how to start running ads, how to run ads to the WhatsApp, and every other thing. More things I'm gonna teach you. So stay tuned. Like this video, subscribe, share it to whoever you know that will be interested in this, and see you next time. Cheers and God bless.